Welcome back to ZOS Introduction. This is the 16th video in this series. You will learn how a Portable Operating System Interface, or POSIX, compliant Unix kernel is a critical part of the ZOS environment, allowing for web enablement of applications. ZOS is a 64-bit operating system for IBM mainframes that includes DNA from decades of hardware and operating system advancements. Those advancements include Unix capabilities. The ZOS predecessor was OS 390. The OS 390 predecessor was MVS. MVS had a 20-year run which included a number of advancements: MVS SE, MVS SP, MVS XA, MVS ESA. A POSIX compliant Unix was ported to MVS SP version 4.3 and named Open Edition MVS. The MVS core remained fundamentally the same operating system to keep the original investment protection promise of forward compatibility of applications. The forward compatibility has enabled application logic and architecture to continuously improve. The blend of Unix and MVS resulted in ZOS being an open operating system environment with the capability to web enable MVS applications. POSIX is the Unix standard. ZOS has POSIX compliant Unix. ZOS is POSIX compliant with complete POSIX capabilities. ZOS has no sides between Unix and MVS. Unix is tightly integrated in ZOS BCP with full Unix file system support. A previous ZOS introduction video explained TSO is a command line interface. ZOS has a Unix shell command line interface that is familiar to those with Unix experience. Using a TN3270 TSO session, the OMVS command will present a Unix shell prompt. Several ISPF panels work directly with Unix and Unix file systems. Even the popular ISPF 3.4 Dataset List Utility panel can access ZOS Unix file systems by entering the Unix file path in the DS name level field of the panel. When using OMVS shell prompt or an ISPF panel, ISPF editor is available for edit of Unix file using OEdit command. Observe the red stars in the chart. The diagram is showing several ways to access the ZOS Unix shell prompt to enter Unix commands, utilities, scripts, and so on. TN3270 TSO logon access has ISPF panels and OMVS command as a ZOS Unix shell prompt interface. TCP/IP well-known applications such as SSH and Telnet access ZOS Unix shell prompt if the TCP/IP applications are enabled by the system's programmer. TCP/IP application access to ZOS Unix shell prompt has VI editor capabilities for those familiar with the VI editor. The chart shows the ZOS Unix shell prompt. Unix command uname with passed-in options lowercase a and uppercase I will output the operating system environment and hardware product number. Unix command ls with passed-in options of lowercase a and L flags lists the root directory entries. The chart here shows the ISPF panel number 1 the top portion of this screen, and number 2, the bottom portion of the screen. From the ISPF 3.4 Data Set List Utility panel, entering the root path / in the DS name level field in top panel results in a ZOS Unix directory list shown in bottom panel. Selecting Help via ISPF F1 while viewing a Unix path from the ISPF Dataset List Utility panel provides line command capabilities. From ZOS Unix Shell Prompt, the Unix Online Reference Manual is available using the man command. The ZOS Unix man command includes both Unix commands and set of TSO commands available in the shell environment. An excellent source of information to begin advancing your ZOS Unix System Services skills is IBM Red Book, Volume 9, from the ABCs of ZOS series of volumes. ZOS Internet Library includes a ZOS Unix System Services bookshelf of professional manuals. In summary, ZOS is a powerful blend of MVS and Unix, allowing for web enablement of ZOS applications. The ZOS Unix is a POSIX compliant Unix. Therefore, ZOS is capable of doing whatever is possible in a POSIX compliant Unix. Thank you for your time.